Guys, this is my voice. I can't believe it. I did a voice over it. Yes, so this is today, and I did it already. I did my first video. Yep. So please subscribe, like, and watch my videos. Watch till the end.
Can you open for me? Can you open for me?
You bite it?
No, you're married. Don't give me your married. Thank you.
You're welcome.
Thanks.
So guys, yes, this is my voice. I'm gonna be making videos with this. And yeah. I'm gonna do a prank on my birthday. And yeah, guys, that's my voice. And I'm gonna be doing a prank on my brother. So he hates spicy stuff so much. And I'm gonna give him a turkey. This is so spicy. I'll take a bite of one right now. No, wait. Yeah. They're just so spicy. My brother has no idea because he got this before he got out of school. And yeah. It's probably not coming out in a long time, so we do that. I'm just gonna show one of my friends how to make a video on Roblox because he doesn't know how, so I want to show him. Ooh. Oh yeah, he does need it. So, and subscribe to my friend's channel. Link will be in the description. Like his videos. Watch his videos. His videos are actually pretty good. I'm gonna be in some of his videos and I'm gonna be showing my face. So if you want an early face reveal, just go to his channel. And link will be in the description. If you want an ugly face reveal, I already posted a video of my face. So, yeah. If you want a face reveal, remember, just go to his channel because I'm doing one at like 1,000 subscribers, and that's not gonna happen because I only have like 5. So just go see my face right now. Go and watch. And once you get to his channel, watch his video that says like. Okay, yeah, I have to check. I forgot the name. I'll just show that's just the end of the video, okay? about watch his newest video because my face is gonna be in it. And yeah, bye. And Pearson, I'm gonna show you how you could just come to my house. It's way easier. Okay, bye. Say bye. Say it loud though.
Bobby.